What's up, everybody? I got a quick video for you today. Before we get into the video, I want to say thank you guys so much for all the support in the Facebook group. This is hilarious. Look at this dude. Oh, anyway, that caught me off guard. Thank you guys so much for the growth. Um, Feel free to join the Facebook group. There's lots of deals being posted in there. See, from everyone. So thank you guys so much. And I ask if you get any value from the videos, please like, comment, subscribe, share it. All that good stuff helps me out tremendously. And I need the help right now. But first of all, I just want to repeat this deal from yesterday or the day before. This Milwaukee M18 fuel kit here. This is what I really wanted to focus on the other day in the video, but I don't know, it got away from me. So, of course, you get this hammer drill impact driver, two 5.0 XC batteries, dual charge, a hard case. It comes with a little extra thing in there, a little bit for the impact driver, and I think that's it. And that's normally $349 right now. You know they're discounting these things to make way for the new Gen 4 stuff. Um, and you also get this impact wrench, and this is the big boy, real deal, Holyfield of the impact wrenches for Milwaukee and pretty much everybody else. The only thing I would love to put it up against Metabo HPT, I just haven't because these things are super powerful. I need to find if I ever get this RV home, I'm gonna make some videos on that because I just need y'all help at this point. I can't get that thing, the engine of prime oil. But anyway, so this is normally $249, $299, maybe recently with everybody inflating things. So this is about $600 to $650 worth of tools right there. Now you add a free gift, which is that battery. You go to cart. This whole thing becomes $387. $387, y'all. Let's put this into perspective here. This whole kit is normally $399. Just the hammer drill and impact drive, and you're getting this big boy impact wrench for free. I mean, actually, and they giving you money back. That's how you gotta look at this. Now, do I like all this? This hammer drill is super uncomfortable, man. I don't like that hammer drill. It's powerful. It's compact. Yes, I don't like the way it feels in my hand though. I really don't like so bad. It literally hurts. It can pinch your finger, and then if let me go back to it to show you guys. If it's not pinching your finger, there's this little lip underneath the trigger, that red thing, that piece of plastic. I don't know why they design it like that. It looks like it's like that on all the tools, right? It is, but it for whatever reason on the hammer drill is super prominent and it hurts. It digs into your middle finger. I don't like it. Maybe it's just my hands, the way my hands are shaped. I don't like it, and I'm not the only person that said the literal exact same thing. But that is a crazy deal, though. It would matter whether you bleed red or not. If you get into it, and you need these three items, because this will pretty much have you straight for a while. Although this impact wrench is humongous. It's heavy. It's not real big, but it's heavy and it's overkill. You're not using that to build furniture. You're gonna tear the furniture up. But it does have settings where you can adjust the speed, and it can go. This is gonna sound crazy too. It can. I don't want to say it can go soft, but you guys get what I'm saying. Like it can be kind of pretty gentle, especially for the size of the tool, and it also has an automatic mode. So that's four modes, and it won't impact real hard. So anyway, moving on to this other Ryobi deal, and this is pretty much it. This is 139 now. This is 18 volt, and this is very much like entry level. This is for people that have like a townhouse and a little bit baby yard. Okay, if you got like a full single family home and a decent sized lawn, and by decent size I mean like your lot size is like zero point 0.2 acres. This is not enough. You have like five shrubs max. I have this thing, and this 18 volt trimmer, and it's okay. I mean, it's okay. It's okay for what it is, but it comes with two 2 amp hour batteries. They are high output. Slow charger, the trimmer, the blower. The blower is 200 CFM, which is, I mean, I've seen worse. Again, this is like we're blowing a little sidewalk down your steps in your townhouse, and that's it. This trimmer, I mean the edger. Wait a minute, it's not an edger, but you guys get what I'm saying. The string trimmer, and a weed whacker. There you go. This is probably good. I've never used it, but it's 18 volts, so it's not going to perform like the 40-volt stuff. But I mean, it's $139. You're getting a lot for $139. This breaks down to everything being what 20, not even $20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, like 20 something dollars a tool and battery. So there you go there. All right, now last thing I wanted to talk about was yesterday I made a quick video for Evan in the Facebook group. He sent me a message um, asking about Rakuten first. So I explained Rakuten, and you guys know Rakuten is a free cashback site, just like Retail Me Not. Only difference is Retail Me Not sometimes offers a lot more cashback than Rakuten, but Rakuten gives you $30 cash back for signing up and when you use my link. So always do that first, and then after that, you go back and forth between Rakuten and Retail Me Not. Now we go over to the toolbar and we see Rakuten is active. Retail Me Not is just giving coupon codes, and when it gives coupon codes, the reason why I use both. So right here you see Retail Me Not is giving me coupon codes. So boom, I'll copy these if I'm spending over $250, and then I'll go and use Rakuten over here to activate plus get my coupon code. So that's how you really want to hack these things, all right? But going back, he said he wanted to get the Ryobi Mid torque, the P262, and yesterday in the video I was just showing it at full price, but it is part of the Ryobi days. So if you spend $199 on this kit, you can end up getting you could choose that as a free tool right here, that impact wrench. Now let's take them to the car so we can see what they break down into. So this actually comes down to be $91.39, but if you like Evan, he doesn't have batteries or charger or anything. Now if you already have Ryobi batteries and stuff, this is hard to beat, the $91.39. Is this gonna last as long as a Metabo or Milwaukee? No, it's not. But for a little short burst and moderate to light use, this should be fine for years. And if you just wanted some Ryobi batteries for some odd reason, here you go for 107. That's still a lot of money for me to just be spending on batteries. They are high output batteries, but they Ryobi high output batteries. I mean, you still gotta be having all these Ryobi tools. What you got all these tools for from Ryobi? No, don't do that. You're gonna end up changing out anyway at some point, because one day these are gonna hit a snag. Trust me, I've been there, and you're gonna have to upgrade. And hopefully somebody takes all your Ryobi tools off your hands. I was fortunate enough to have that happen. So anyway, now if you are like Evan though, and you have to spend the $200, I still feel like this Metabo HPT is going to be better because you get a better warranty. This could be powered by plugging into the wall and by battery. You do have to buy the adapter to plug into the wall though, and that adapter isn't cheap, but there's a way you can get it free, but you got to buy something else anyway though. So it's kind of not free. You got to spend some money. Also, it's a more powerful tool, and it's a better tool. Yesterday, y'all, I was trying to prime the engine on this RV after changing the oil pump, and I was using a Metabo HPT drill. And y'all, I thought that thing was gonna blow up. It was so hot, and it never shut down. No, I just went through the entire. Okay, this is how long I ran the drill on high. I ran it from full 2.5 amp hour battery until the battery went out. It just was on the whole time. So any Ryobi couldn't do that. It would have overheated. Even in Milwaukee, I've seen Milwaukee's overheat very easily and shut down way before that happened. This thing chewed through the entire battery. It was so hot, I thought if I laid it on the carpet, it was going to burn the carpet. I just had to put a fan over it and cool it off, but it was still ready to go. And that was really impressive. So that's what I'm saying when I say that these Ryobi tools are not as durable as that. They're not. Even Milwaukee, like it's video after video, Milwaukee's choking from overheating and all of that. So this thing just went the distance. And plus, if it did burn up yesterday, well, I got a warranty. So there you go. Anyway, that is what I just wanted to say. And just remember with this $199, I don't even think I said this, you get a free starter kit. So you get the charger and a 4 amp hour battery as well. Really, with the Ryobi, to get this with one 4 amp hour battery and a charger is $219. So really, for the 199, they're giving you the batteries free. And you might say, well, that's a lot, but I mean, my point is kind of, you kind of getting what you pay for. Like, this is kind of regular price. It's not, it's not regular price. Let me not say that, but I'm just saying that I think long term you'll be happier with this tool for the same amount of money if you don't have batteries already. Like I said, this if you already have Ryobi batteries and you trying to just get this mid torque $91.39, which I guess is a new deal too. $91.39. That's hard to beat. I don't think I could talk you into this Metabo HBT at that point because I don't think I would. I would just pay $91.39. But again, if you don't have anything, I would recommend going this route. So anyway, that's the video for today. Hope you guys got some value from it, and I'll see you guys next time.